up, KM fans? Tawna McCoy here, and I am bringing you the Simple Supplements series, where we talk about all of our awesome supplements in a simple way. And today's supplement is ReCaged. So what is ReCaged? ReCaged is a premium post-workout supplement, meaning we're gonna take this after our workout, used to provide your body with the foundational recovery assets so that you can care for and transform your body for whatever goals you have. When and how do I take ReCaged? Just one scoop about 30 to 45 minutes after your workout. So why would I take ReCaged versus others? Well, there's just not many other products out there that match what ReCaged truly is about. It contains fermented glutamine, which aids greatly in muscle recovery. It also has prohydrolase, which is an innovative digestive enzyme blend. Along with all of this, as always, it is made with the highest quality ingredients out there. So what are these amazing flavors of ReCaged? We have orange cream, strawberry lemonade, fruit punch, and iced lemon cake. My personal favorite, iced lemon cake. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope that this was super helpful and super simple for you. Do not forget that you can buy all of our supplements on KAGEDMUSCLE.com. I'll see you next time, so stay hyped, my friends.